Hi folks, welcome back. One of the things that we are taught from a very young age is that we should be empathetic towards people, that we should walk a mile in their shoes, we should, to use an example from the Bible, do unto others as we would have others do unto us. And it's good advice. We should stop to think about why another person may require assistance, why they may be acting in a certain way, and be kind, charitable, forgiving to a degree towards them. Something that's very well recognised. However, there is a logical extension here. What we are saying is that double standards should not be made. We should treat ourselves and other people to the same standard. What's often forgotten is that you have to reverse that as well. It is perfectly reasonable, therefore, for you to expect a certain level of kindness, charity, forgiveness, reasonableness towards you. And a lot of people are very good at forgiving others, being kind to others, being charitable to others, but not expecting the same back. They create a double standard where they hold others to a lower standard than they do themselves. And that is something that really should be addressed. It is important that if you treat others as you would want to be treated, that you should also expect to be treated by others in the way that you would treat them. And the final logical extension is that if you are willing to be forgiving, kind, charitable towards others, you should also be willing to be kind, forgiving and charitable towards yourself. That can be the hardest one of all. Or can be, in my humble opinion. I'd love to know what you think. Please comment or question below if you want to. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.